Hi students, good morning. Welcome to all of you. BA Economy. Today we will discussing the most important bits regarding endocrine system. These are the most important bits all the regarding all the examinations. So previous also the lot of questions also coming from this lesson. So please kindly read and listen the video and watch the video. If you like, please kindly subscribe and encourage to us. We are provide more videos. The first question, where the pituitary gland present in our body? So the answer at the base of the brain. The pituitary gland is also called master gland. So this carrying lot of functions in your body. Next question. Which one is release male sex hormones? So testis. The testis release testosterone hormone and this increasing and develop in the male primary sex hormones and secondary sex hormones also. The next question. Which one is controlled by the temperature? The temperature is controlled by the hypothalamus. This is present in the our brain, base of the brain. The most important, the hypothalamus is main part of our human body. Your body temperature, according to the climate, the body temperature will be regulate. So this is the hypothalamus. Next question. Which gland is acting as endocrine and exocrine gland? Pancreas. The pancreas acts as a endocrine gland as well as exocrine gland. This is a narrow gland present in our stomach, in between the duodenum and small intestine. The next question. Emergency hormone. Emergency hormone is called adrenal gland. Adrenal gland emergency hormone. Why we are calling the emergency hormone? It controlled the heartbeat rate and our BP, blood pressure. So the female sex hormone. The female sex hormone is estrogen. So the female sex hormones are two. One is the estrogen, other one is the progesterone. The estrogen, the most important, the estrogen in the female sex hormone, it the main function is the developing of the eggs and the cycling process of the menstrual cycle in regularity. So which one is called pregnant hormone are called progesterone. The progesterone is released. This is the female sex hormone. The main function of the progesterone is when the gametes are entering in the female. So these are meet and the egg at the date of 14th to 16th day. So these are and then these are mixing together. They may be XX or XY. These are passing through the fallopian tubes through our uterus. So after 6 to 8 days, that is called pregnant confirmed zygote. Next question. In human body, which exocrine gland is biggest? Exocrine gland is biggest. So that is the pancreas. Pancreas gland is the biggest gland. The next question. The largest mammal gland is thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is a present in our bottom of the neck. It is a butterfly shape. It releases thyroxine. The next question. Which hormone heat in the form of protein? So that is the oxytocin. The next question. In human throat, which is known as a Adam apple? Thyroid gland is also called Adam apple. The next question. Which is caused by the deficiency of iodine? So if the when she becomes a pregnant, generally when she becomes a pregnant, third month or in between third to fifth month, so the major deficiency of the iodine now it leads goitry disease. So it is known as the thyroid effect. The next question. Blood pressure was controlled by adrenal gland. Where is the pineal gland is present in the brain? Whose deficiency causes adenosine disease? Adrenal cortex releases a group of hormones deficiency. So that is the main cause. Adrenal medulla secretes hormones. Adrenaline is called emergency hormone. The two functions, the emergency hormone. So these are the adrenal medulla and adrenal cortex. The next question. How many parts in the adrenal gland? There are two parts. One is the adrenal cortex and other medulla. The most important question also. What is the main function of adrenal cortex? It produces hormones that control sex, adenosine, estrogen, salt balance in blood, and sugar balance in the blood. Emergency hormone. This is also called emergency hormone. The next question. What is the main function of medulla? So it is cardiovascular and respiratory system. It controls heart rate, breathing, blood pressure. The next question. What is the main function of insulin? So the main function of insulin is control the sugar levels in blood. The next question. What is the main function of glycogen? So it is stored from form of glucose, contact many sugar molecules. It is main source of energy made up of carbohydrates. When we are eating food, for example, you have to take the rice. All the rice is converted into the glucose and stored. The next question. What is the main function of glycogen? So it converts glucose into the glycogen into the glucose. That is the main function. So when you are eating the food, all the food is converted into glycogen. No? So then after whenever is required, it will be converted into the glucose. The next question. Which gland is regarding calcium in blood? So parathyroid gland, it controlled calcium and potassium in your blood. The next question. Endocrine glands are, these are chemically proteins and amino acids. That's the most important question also this one. Exocrine glands are, these are chemically proteins, only proteins. There is no amino acids. Thyroid gland secretes the hormone are called thyroxine. The next question. Name of the hormone secretes adrenal gland. This is also most important. So adrenaline hormone is released. The next question. What is the main function of adrenal gland? It is also known as suprarenal gland. It is small triangle shape. It produces hormones. It helps your metabolism, immune system, blood pressure, and it responsible for the stress. The next question. The main function of gastric gland. It secretes a gastric juice. It be known as proteins in the food. It is easily digestible by the small intestine. They have no strain in the small intestine, so the gastric juice is a breakdown of the foods into the simple complex compounds. The next question. The main function of trypsin is it acts as a basic medium. It secreted the phenolic juice. Trypsin is a small intestine. It is present in the small intestine. The main function of pepsin are it is a enzyme acts as a acidic medium. It saturates the stomach, gastric juice, saturates pepsinotic acid. It saturates the hydrochloric acid that lower the pH value of your blood. So the range of the pH value 1.5 to 2. So these are the most important bits regarding of the endocrine system. I hope if you are like, please kindly subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you very much.